Okay, so this video is to show how to pull an image from Dockerhub, how to run a container from that image, and then check the status of the image of the container. So first, we'll see whether Docker is installed or not on our system. So for that, we'll type docker version. So Docker version is clearly there, so Docker is installed. Now we'll check the images already in the system. Okay, there are some images, so I'll remove them. Docker RMI. Okay, to remove an image, we just need to give the first three characters. So A33. Okay, this image is there is a container which is active on the image, so I'll check the containers and I'll first remove the container RM900 docker rm b0 e. Okay, so now I'll check the containers again. As you can see, both the containers were deleted. Now I can delete the image. Docker RMI A33. These are the first three characters of the image ID. So this is deleted. Now I'll delete the other image. Docker RMI 0D9. Okay, that is deleted. Now I can check the images once again by using the command docker images. As you can see, there is only hello world image with an image ID which was created 22 months ago and stuff. So now I will pull the docker image, docker pull, using this command docker pull, and then we should give the username is and the image Cassandra with the tag 4.1.2. This is a version of Cassandra. So as we can see, the image is being downloaded. It is getting pulled from the Docker hub and then it is being built here on our local Docker desktop. Okay, so now that this image is created, now we can run the container from the image by using the command docker run d and the name of the container, whatever name we want to give, excuse me, whatever name we wanted to assign to the container, we can assign it here. For example, I want to name it as Cassandra 1. This is the name of the container which I want to give, and then we have to specify the name of the image or whatever we have built here. So the repository is usfbais and Cassandra 4.1.2. so this is the image name, this is the container name, this is the container name, and then followed by the image name. So this should start the container. Okay, so this alphanumeric number indicates that the container is created. We can check the status of the container by using the command docker ps a. As we can see, the container is created. Oh, just a moment, I'll expand the. Okay, okay, as we can see here, the container is created. This is the container id, and then this is the name of the image, and this is the command which runs immediately after the container is started. And it was, when it was started, the time is given, and then what's the current status of the container. The current status is up, so the container is up and running. If you see this container, the container below, the name is hello world, which is built with the image hello world. So this was exited. So exited means that the container is not active. When the status is up, that means the container is active, it is running. So this is how we create container from images. Now to stop the container, we can use the command docker stop the first three characters of the container id, which is 7c8. Okay, so that's how we stop it. Now we can restart it. Docker start 7c8. Okay, that's how we started. Again, we can check it. Docker ps a. Okay, so this is started again. Now once we started the container, once we see that it is running, we can enter that particular container by using the command docker exec dash it, and then the name of the container. Here the name of the container is cassandra1. So cassandra1, and we want to enter the terminal or bash of it. So as we can see, we have entered the cassandra shell for this. Now we can enter the SQL shell here. Okay, so this is how we enter the SQL shell. As you can see here, it is changed to SQL shell.